So, you're looking to set up an Instagram business account? Great choice. It's one of the most powerful ways to promote your brand, reach more people, and showcase your products or services. It might seem like a lot at first, but once you understand the steps, the entire process becomes simple and effortless. Start by grabbing your phone and opening Instagram. If you don't have the app yet, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. After installing, open the app and choose whether to log in or sign up. For a new business account, sign up using either your phone number or email. Email is usually easier to manage for business purposes. Enter your email, receive the verification code, and type it into the app. Then create a secure password using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Next, Instagram will ask for your birthday just to confirm eligibility. After that, enter your full name. Use your business name so it's easy for people to recognize you. Now it's time to choose a username. This is important because it's what people will search for. Keep it aligned with your business name, and if the exact name is taken, use small variations that still match your brand. Next, upload your profile picture. For a business, your logo works best. You can crop and adjust it until it looks clean and professional. With your basic account created, it's time to switch to a business account. Go to your profile, open the menu, and choose Switch to Professional Account. Instagram will show you the benefits, insights, ads, contact buttons, and more. All essential tools for growing your business. Select a category that best represents your business. Don't worry if you're unsure. You can always change it later. Choose whether you want the category displayed publicly, then add your business details like email, phone number, or address. You can skip anything you don't want to share. Instagram may also offer to link your profile with a Facebook page. You can skip that step for now if you prefer. Now complete your profile by writing a strong bio. Think of it as your elevator pitch. Brief, clear, and focused on what your business offers. You can also add your website link so visitors can explore your products or services right away. After that, Instagram will show other business accounts for inspiration. Follow them if you want or skip for now. You may also see the option to join the Meta Verify waitlist, which offers credibility and additional support features. Instagram will then encourage you to invite friends or contacts to follow your new page. You can do this immediately or skip it until you're ready. Creating a simple welcome post is a great way to introduce your brand and build early engagement. Once your account is set up, you can explore business tools like Insights, FAQs, ads, and audience targeting. These tools help you track performance, understand your audience, and promote your business more effectively. From here, you can begin posting high-quality content, interacting with your followers, running ads to reach new audiences, and using insights to improve your strategy. As you grow, experimenting with reels, stories, and interactive features like polls can help boost engagement even more. With consistency, creativity, and attention to your analytics, your business account will quickly develop a strong presence and attract the right audience.